In this video, I'll guide you through how to find total revenue in Google Analytics 4, whether you're tracking an online store, a subscription product, or any kind of monetized website. Knowing exactly where to see your total revenue is essential. We'll go step by step inside the Google Analytics 4 interface so you can quickly check this number whenever you need it. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main Google Analytics homepage where you can access all of your properties and reports. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to the analytics property you want to review. If you have multiple accounts or properties, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one, since revenue will be different for each property. Once you're in Google Analytics 4 for the right property, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation area. From here, click on the option labeled Reports. This section is where Google Analytics 4 brings together all the standard reporting views, including traffic, engagement, and of course, monetization and revenue. If you've just upgraded from Universal Analytics, this layout might look a bit different, but the reports area serves a similar purpose. It's where you go to understand your overall performance. After you click Reports, you'll be taken to the reporting workspace. Near the top of this section, you should see an option called Report Snapshot. Go ahead and click on Report Snapshot. Think of this as your overview dashboard. It pulls together high-level metrics and trends for your property in one place, making it a convenient starting point whenever you log in. When the report's snapshot loads, you'll see a series of cards or panels showing different metrics, such as users, sessions, engagement, and, depending on your setup, monetization data. In this snapshot, you will see a panel that shows your total revenue. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on how Google updates the interface, but typically it appears within the monetization or overview section of the snapshot. The total revenue value shown here represents the sum of all revenue tracked in your Google Analytics 4 property for the selected date range. By default, you might be looking at the last 28 days, the last 7 days, or another preset period. If you want to see revenue for a different time frame, such as a specific month or quarter, look for the date selector near the top right of the screen. Adjusting this date range will automatically update the total revenue number in your snapshot. If you don't see any revenue here, or if the number looks unexpectedly low, that usually means one of two things. Either your e-commerce or purchase events are not fully set up, or you're looking at a time period where no revenue was recorded. In that case, double check your implementation or try expanding the date range to include more data. Once you've found the total revenue on the report snapshot, you can revisit this same view anytime you want a quick health check on how your business is performing. Just remember the simple path: go to analytics.google.com, open the correct property, click Reports on the left, then choose Report Snapshot and review your total revenue from there. That's all you need to do to find total revenue in Google Analytics 4.